How to buy PIP token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic experts. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below. Find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. Now, as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Dex account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on Dex screen to be able to buy this token. And before that, as you can see, this token is trending number 8 in Dex screener. Now click on trade pip. As you can see, click here to expand this window. And as you can see, you can be able to trade this token on Hyperliquid exchange platform. Now, first of all, link your account to this exchange platform. Now, so that's the amount that you want to buy over that token, as you can see. Now, here you will be able to see how much you will be paid. So after that, click on enable trading and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy PIP token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.